Hello everyone, and welcome to another Paddocks Club video tutorial. If you have ever watched the popular Discovery Channel television show Mythbusters, you will know that some myths are so entrenched in popular belief that we are left stunned when they are busted. In this video, I will dispel a common myth that members of Bodies Corporate tend to live by, namely, that the owner who caused damage to another's unit is liable for the insurance excess payable to get the damaged unit fixed. Although this statement has all the signs of a perfectly logical argument, it is in fact no more than myth. Section 13.1b, read together with Section 13.1c of the Sectional Title Schemes Management Act, make it clear that an owner is obliged to maintain his or her own section in a state of good and serviceable repair, and further, that said owner is liable to pay all charges, expenses and assessments that may be payable in respect of his or her section. An owner is therefore compelled to pay the insurance excess charged for an insurance claim relating to the repairs to his or her unit, regardless of the cause of said damage. With that being said, the owner will have a claim against the owner who caused the damage in terms of the law of delict, and the two owners can of course reach an agreement whereby the owner who caused the damage reimburses the other for the costs incurred. However, such costs cannot simply be added to the levy account of the owner who caused the damage. This does not mean that the owner who suffered the damage is left helpless. If the owner who caused the damage fails and/or neglects and/or refuses to reimburse the owner who has suffered the damage, such owner can approach the Community Schemes Ombuds Service or their nearest small claims court for relief. I trust that you have found this tutorial helpful. Should you have any questions or queries, do not hesitate to post these on the forum. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.